Welcome to the coding part of HTML. Today, we will be focusing on two main components, which is HTML and CSS. As you can see, I'm already adding the tags, which is the opening tag and the closing tag. And now I'm starting to add the header. Header is the text that you put on top of the page, like welcome to the web page, this is your signing link, you are going to be signed in now, just like that. There's also header and there's also a footer. A footer is a text that you put at the bottom of the page. It can be signed by, designed by, and it can be made on, created on, like that. And here now I am adding the headings, which as you can see, H1 class. Now H1 is a heading which is the biggest heading, while H6 being the smallest. I've classified the H1 tag into the main heading so I can style it easily with the CSS. Same thing I'm doing with H2 and H3. There's always a closing tag for the heading. We're going to design all of these tags by using CSS. And this is the basic foundation of making a web page. First text, then styling, then animations. And animation is done by JavaScript. The footer is always at the bottom of the page. And first, by starting the CSS, I'm going to add the background color by using a hex code. A hex code is a code that uses special numbers and letters. Sometimes some colors are not there in the CSS, which is why we're going to use these to get our desired results. Here we have the main heading, which I classified it, and now I'm editing it by changing the font size, the color, by using a hex code, and I'm having the color. And I'm also adding the font text, the font style, and the center. Where am I supposed to place it? There are always three options: center, middle, and left. Wherever you would like to put it, it's all your wish. Remember to always put a semicolon after each and every line. Same thing I'm going to do with H2 and H3 and H4. And this is how you can create a web page. Thank you so much for watching.